a new day again, and I think we have a good thunderstorm headed our way. At least I hope so. We had a really loud thunderclap just a little while ago, but it was just kind of a one-off. Out here drinking a beer, watching the rainstorm. Hopefully there'll be some thunder as well. So we got the PCX today. It is beautiful. There will be a video to show you everything about it, but we're gonna have to wait about 10 days. It's really coming down. Look at the street. The street's already like a river. This is all in about 30 minutes. All right, it's a new day again, and it was a good day. Hit the gym this morning, feeling pretty good, and we are going to take a quick ride, just run a couple errands. If you'd like to come along, we would love to show you. Just a little sneak peek for you. While I'm waiting for Mama to shop, you can see that we made some upgrades to our beat. We finally got the rubber mat, the custom Honda mat after 2 years, go figure. And then we got the air cover, or the air cleaner cover, and we got the muffler cover done. And then, I gotta hide the license plate and come around. And then we did air suspension as well. So I actually got that not necessarily to be more stiff, but for long rides I can set it very soft. And then we did the Honda ESP cover in silver. So it just kind of gives the bike a little bit more character. And for the phone holder, I actually brought this from the United States because it's really small and it fits perfectly on the left handle, and you can still get your thumb easily on the horn and the signal without it interfering like this. So it's in the perfect spot. We're out picking up dinner now. I know, so exciting. It's the news you wanted to hear. It's why you clicked on this video. All right, so you know that feeling when you just had a big old Indonesian dinner and you're so full, where like $2 just completely filled you up, and then you realize, damn, I forgot to carry upstairs our water for my vlog.
Oh, yeah.
See, this is what I'm talking about. I got a really good lightning bolt on tape, which you either already saw or you're gonna see right now. So pretty easy day, and it's nighttime now and it's really wet outside, so let's go. So now we're at our favorite JFC. I swear we eat this place like 2 or 3 times a week. It's so good. The traffic has been insane tonight. I don't know if it's because of the wet roads or what, but a lot of these neighborhood streets are packed. This here is the egg cellar, as you can plainly see. That's a lot of eggs. Back home in dinner time, we got some ramen, which we call here mee or Indomie, which Mama cooked and it's delicious, and a JFC chicken breast, which is delicious also, and fried snack from the seller right across the street.